Technology has changed the world of education today. I am Dr. Ismail Thamarasseri. I am going to offer you a course on ICT skills in education. The course content is part of your approved university syllabus. Learners who passed any degree program can join this course. This course will give you a clear understanding of what is happening to different aspects of ICT worldwide. After completing this course, you will be getting familiar with the meaning, need, significance and emerging trends of ICT skills in education. The course content will be educational technology, blended learning, flipped classroom, open education resources, cloud computing, mobile apps, ICT skills in classroom, teachers in the digital era, database management systems, learning management systems, computer networks, e-governance, e-learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things and free and open source software. It is a 4-credit course that have to be completed within a period of 14 weeks. Each module includes quiz, assignments and reference materials. Let me invite you all to join with me in this wonderful journey to the evolving ICT skills in education. Come and explore the dynamic world of ICT skills.